My car's been outside all day in the freezing weather. Everybody else is defrosting their car. Mine doesn't need to be defrosted because it's maintained temperatures. It's maintained the temperature that I had set inside. I had set the temperature at 73. It's warming up, but it's already warm in here. I don't need to do any defrosting. All I need to do now is start my car and go home, which if it was a regular car, I would have had to be outside scraping the windshield, trying to set up to go home. So now all I need to do is start the car. Worth every penny.